In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices in Canva for your business. With Canva, it's remarkably simple to design professional-looking invoices that align with your brand aesthetic. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to set up, and there are both free and premium options available. Once you're logged in, head over to the Templates section. This is where you can explore various design options tailored to different needs. Within the Templates section, find and click on the Business category. This narrows down the selections to templates that are specifically useful for business purposes, like invoices, letterheads, and business cards. To locate invoice templates specifically, simply scroll through the categories until you find the Invoices section. Here you'll find a range of options, from minimalist and sleek to more elaborate and colorful designs. Now, if you prefer starting from scratch, you can click on Create a Blank Invoice. This allows you complete creative freedom to design every element according to your specifications. Alternatively, you might find it easier and quicker to choose a pre-existing template. Based on your Canva subscription, you'll be able to choose from free templates or explore some of Canva's Pro templates for even more premium designs. Once you've made your choice, click on the template you want to use. This will open up the template in the Canva editor, where you can start customizing it to fit your needs. Click on Customize this template, and a world of design possibilities is at your fingertips. You can modify everything from the font styles to the colors and even the layout. Consider adding your business logo for a personalized touch and ensure any company-specific details, such as your contact information or terms of payment, are clearly outlined. After crafting your invoice to perfection, it's time to save and send it out. Click on Share to access the options to distribute or download your design. When you click on Download, you'll choose the type of file you wish to use. For most business-related documents, PDF standard is a good choice, as it ensures the document's compatibility and ease of printing. Finally, hit Download and wait a moment for Canva to process your request. Once it's ready, your beautifully designed invoice is available to save on your computer and send to your clients with just a few more clicks. And that's it. You've now created a professional invoice through Canva in just a few steps. Whether you customize a template or build your own from scratch, leveraging Canva's powerful tools ensures your invoices look polished and aligned with your brand image. Happy designing!